Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Asim. I'm working as DevOps engineer. This is the sixth part of our continuous integration and continuous deployment through the GitHub Actions, and we are going to use the code deploy. So I'm going to complete our um, GitHub Actions. So what I'm going to do is to simply make one commit, and I'm going to call this automated deployment uh, on AWS code deploy. Okay, so okay, as far as the commit is concerned, if I navigate to the GitHub sections, okay, navigate to the code deploy. I have to refresh my browser as the previous video was stuck, so I have to restart my PC. So navigate back to that particular ECR YAML and see the status of that particular uh, version. So you see still is v2, and I'm going to edit this. So I'm going to deploy the version 1 as I was trying, testing the stuff with the version 2 in past. So I'm going to first of all show you guys. I'm going to deploy the first version here, and I'm going to use my version 1 of the application. I already showed you the path as well, and it is publicly available as well. And I'm going to make one commit. By doing this commit, the automated trigger is going to be, will be done, and the build of our CICD will be automatically triggered. So you see, if you got any error, we will definitely fix those. So as far as till this part, everything is look to be okay. You see that AWS credentials we have given is okay. Login to ECR is done. So we have one error